back at it. It is getting colder every day. I'm working on this cross piece that I cut yesterday. I put that notch in it. That's gonna be, the floor is gonna be raised in between the bench, and a drawer is gonna pull all the way out and go through that wall into the raised floor. And now I'm cutting a hole up top for the table to slide out of. Those notches are cut. Boom and boom. Now to make the cross beams. Since there's going to be a table here, this beam's going to be back here, and then there'll be two side beams that'll also give the rails to the table. That is all in. I wish I had a CNC machine. That's all the main framing of the back. There's gonna be a box there for a big pull-out drawer. But for now, I'm gonna attempt to put a rivet in the ceiling beam because I need it for my pulley system. It's a new tool, so we'll see how it goes. Well, that worked very well. I had to drill the hole bigger, so then I spray painted it and then just wiped the excess. That's what that thing is, but very good tool. Very easy, very cool. Comes with lots of pieces. Forgot to film this bit, but I added this box. As you can see, it goes all the way through. A big old drawer is gonna pull out. And I can keep stuff on top, and then my table and skimboard fit in that slot. All right, I'm gonna go play some disc golf. I'll catch up with y'all later. Froth break is over. We're back to building. I'm working on this little cubby bench. I have this piece of wood that's cut, and now I gotta make a curve in it because I'm gonna use one piece to support the kitchen and the bench. So it's gotta be the right width for the bench and then curve to the right width of the kitchen. There's the curve. Let's go see how it goes. I think it looks very nice. Alright, I'm calling it for the day. Got that box finished up. It's going to be more complicated. That's the diesel heater is going to go in there, so it's going to open up a lot. So there's lots of access in case I need to work on it. That's that. That's the wall of the kitchen. That's where the counter will be. And then around back, we're looking like that. Pretty damn cool. I like where it's headed. And I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.